How's it going, guys? It's your boy Daru here again, exploring something new for you. Now, sorry for the really long time between uploads for these videos because I've been really sick lately, you know how it is. But we're going to take this opportunity to explore the abandoned storage facility. Now, the religious community is a bit uppity about it. They don't really want us looking around, but fortunately for us, the god has died. Right. They're a bit busy taking on new applications to fill the role, so we're going to take this opportunity to sneak in and show you guys what's happening behind the ticks. Let's go. After the last video, there were some serious concerns for my safety, and I'm here to tell everyone completely safe that I am personally believing all of that stuff. Just to make you happy, in the comments, I've got some KI, DTPA, some sage, not even many
sauce, some cat food.
He wouldn't let me bring his actual cat, because just in case he glowed, he didn't want him to be sick or anything. I don't know if the fur on its own will work, but oh well. This is a few thousand years old, and I'm going to be one of the few who have dared to venture in, and I'll keep you updated. Ooh. I don't know how to read this language, but if anyone in the comments is an expert in decryption or ancient writing, please let me know. I'd love to know what... That's not ominous at all. Oh, jeez. My God, look at this. They just get weirder the further in I go. What do these even say? Jeez. Okay. There's something over here. It's glowing. Can you guys see that? Is the camera picking it up? Oh my God.
Weird. Oh, it's like mutated or something. Some kind of bat, maybe? That's so cool.
So, we've gotten a fair way in now. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not feeling very good. I've been feeling a bit chilly and a bit sick, but I'm gonna push through it because I want to get good content for you guys. Alright, so another thing I've noticed is even though there's dirt like everywhere, it gets kind of thin here. It's like, check this out. It gets kind of hollow or something. Like, the dirt that's collected around here must be really thin just here, because we're currently in a ditch. I wonder what that is. Hang on, give me a sec. I'm gonna try and dig it up. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. I guess they're right. There's something definitely down there. Jeez, that took the air out of me. Feels really solid. I guess they really don't want you going.
You're going.
See if we can find a way down. Okay, guys. I think I found something. I think I'm near the middle of the area. I don't think you can see. Okay. So I'm basically in this big hallway. What's that? There's like sparks in the air. Hang on.